Welcome to the online demo of the Zuelke Automated Credit Coach. I'll be your tour guide today and help you see Zach run. Zach is an internet application. It runs online, so there's no software to install on the computers in your practice. So whether you use a PC or a Mac, whether you surf the internet with Explorer, Safari, or Firefox, it's all good. Zach will run on all of these platforms. Log in by going to www.myzach.com. When you get there, you'll need a username and password. In fact, write down this username and password, zach@zach.com. Password, you guessed it, Z-A-C-C, all lowercase. You can use that username and password at myzach.com to test and take a test drive on our test account. When you log in, the first screen you'll see is the billing party information screen. Begin by inputting the billing party's first and last name. Note that although the Social Security number is desired, a Social Security number is not required to obtain excellent grades from the Zuelke Automated Credit Coach. Input the date of birth, the years of the address, the street address, their city, state, and zip code, whether they own or rent a home, their years at their current employer, their source of income, and their occupation. And in seconds, you're ready to save that information and get a Zuelke grade. So push the Save and Grade button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. In about that much time, the Zuelke Automated Credit Coach will take the information you put into the computer on the previous screen and combine it with data it obtains in real time from the TransUnion Credit Bureau to produce a final credit grade. In this case, the credit grade is an A. Below the credit grade on every screen, you'll find Paul Zuelke's recommendations with regards to the minimum down payment and the maximum contract length that should be extended to someone with this grade. Your goal is to have financial agreements that are much better than the recommendations offered at the bottom of the screen. Now, Zach also maintains the security of your billing party information. When a patient returns, you click on Billing Party at the top of the screen, and you'll find all of the previous billing parties that have been graded by your practice are kept in secure files online. You can sort or search for this information. In this case, we're going to sort by last name. We click on last name, and you'll note that the last name is now sorted from Black to Smith. That helps us find Mr. Leno, who came in our practice before and has come back for an additional treatment. Note on the right-hand side of the screen that when he previously came to the practice, he was graded with an A credit grade. Well, we'll hit Get New Grade, and his information we previously input will come up on the screen, with the exception of the information on the right-hand side, which we've changed. Years at current employer, source of income, and occupation. You see, Mr. Leno's in Hollywood. His gig is up. He's got no job, no source of income. We're betting that he no longer has an A credit grade. We hit Save and Grade, and what comes up on the left-hand side, you'll note the previous grade was an A. The request date is below it, and the new grade, a C, which is the lowest grade that the Zuelke Automated Credit Grade will give to a billing party, is now the grade that's given to Mr. Leno. Note again at the bottom are the minimum down payment and the maximum contract length recommendations for Mr. Zuelke. Before we leave you, we remember Zach is a specialist. It was created by Paul Zuelke, who has more than 30 years of credit coaching experience and a career focused on medical and dental lending. This proprietary, exclusive algorithm used to grade patients is only available online at Zach. Well, we hope we've given you enough information that you've decided to get Zach now for your practice. If you have, go to www.getzach.com, and at the top of the screen you'll see an orange button that says Get Zach Now. Press on that button and sign up today, or email us, zach@acceptx.com. Thank you, and goodbye.